We asked some of our staff to do a blind smell test and describe Makesy's 4 sexiest scents. Here's what they had to say. Number 1. Buchu leaf and ginger zest, a sensuous blend of citrus and musk.
I think this one is pretty in between sexy man and sexy women.
Really relaxing and soothing, kind of opens you up to others and new experiences.
It's giving all natural.
This is nice.
Number 2. Natural star jasmine and santal, clean and sultry herbals with wood.
This one I would say is very sexy.
But for some reason, I'm associated with a bakery. A sweet man. A sweet bread maker.
Ooh, this is rich and elegant.
What you'd imagine like a sexy man's cologne to smell like.
This is giving Channing Tatum. Magic Mike vibes.
Bradley Cooper.
Intriguing. I keep wanting to smell it because I can't figure out what it is.
Number 3. Tiara petals and spiced sandalwood, spicy and seductively exotic.
Oh.
This is giving me very beach vibes. Itty bitty yellow polka dot bikini.
This is very feminine. This is definitely what I think Lana Del Rey smells like.
I can literally drench myself in this.
Floral coconut smells, kind of like an island getaway. It's like sex on the beach, I guess. The action, not the drink. This is like the White Lotus theme song.
Number 4. Smoked cedar and leather, tall, dark, and handsome.
Okay, this one I think is very sexy. This one is like a man sitting on his leather chair.
This man's got scotch and a cigar, and he's enjoying the finer things in life.
Broad shoulders. His hair can be thrown a little or grabbed.
This guy drives a Porsche 911. He listens to Pearl Jam. He listens to Pearl Jam on the regular.
The Thomas Crown Affair. Not the original, but the one with Pierce Brosnan and Rene Russo. Smelling this makes me feel sexy.
I'm sorry, Mel, did you say that these were samples? Because I'm taking them all.
Get the whole package in the Emoti Intimacy Fragrance Discovery Kit, available at Makesy.com.